Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just zou moeten. Abby, hoe vond je dat water?
Ik vind het prima, maar die golven zijn wel heel erg hard. Dus soms komt het echt hard tegen me aan. Maar voor de rest is het wel prima. Het is niet zo koud als die vorige keer. En ja,
Wat houden, Abby?